Perform a factory reset. In rare cases, and only when instructed by a Cionic technician, it may be necessary to reset your control unit to the original factory settings. To perform a factory reset, plug your control unit into an outlet using the power adapter and charging cable. Press and hold the button for approximately 10 seconds. When the LED indicator starts flashing red repeatedly, release the button and then press and release it again quickly to start the factory reset process. The light will go from blinking red to solid red for about 8 seconds. When complete, the light will switch from solid red to solid green briefly before the device restarts. Next, access the Bluetooth menu on your phone to forget the device. For Android, open the Settings app and then the Connected Devices screen. For an iOS device, open the Settings app and then the Bluetooth screen. Note that if you are switching to a new phone after the factory reset, that this step is not required. Once complete, open the Cionic app, select the control unit icon, and then follow the New Control Unit flow to repair the control unit to your phone.